Good morning, children. Today we are starting the module respiration. From the chapter respiration. This is based on the assignment to be sent on the second week of October. We would be discussing the details of these questions that are included in the assignment. And in previous modules, I have already recorded and sent the textual contents of the chapter respiration. Okay, this is assignment based, that to be sent on the second week of October. So here in the beginning, let me tell you, there are two important comparative and distinguishing questions based on combustion and cellular respiration. What are the differences between combustion and cellular respiration? When we think about the combustion, we must know that there are different types of engines. Engines like bike, car, lorry, and also various types of electric instruments. Okay, in our homes, which we use various types of fuel. So, whatever the fuel, petrol, diesel, kerosene, natural gas, CNG, okay, all this can be the natural, fuels, and the fuels undergoes combustion, okay. So, in a machine or in an engine, the fuels undergo burning. That process of burning in the, engines like car, lorry, bus, etc. We call it combustion. Now, combustion is a fast process. So, in engine, once we start, it start burning, the fuel start burning and releases energy. So, we can say combustion is a fast process, whereas when we come to cellular respiration, the respiration takes place within the body, within the cells of an organism. Is called cellular respiration. You have already studied in the previous modules. Okay, so we can understand that cellular respiration is a slow process. It takes its own time. So combustion is a fast process and cellular respiration is slow process. Yes. Now the second difference, combustion, we can see it occurs at high temperature in the machines, in the gadi machines. When the gadi runs, it's a very high temperature. You can see, you cannot even touch the engine part after running sometimes. Okay, so we can say that combustion is a fast process and also it occurs at high temperature. Combustion occurs at high temperature, maybe more than 100, 200 degrees Celsius. Whereas cellular respiration is a process that occurs in the body temperature around 37 degrees Celsius. So, second difference, cellular respiration occurs at the body temperature around 37 degrees Celsius. The third difference you can see, the combustion occurs anywhere. In car, engines, automobiles, electric materials, electric engines. Wherever we use the fuels, there it can takes place outside or anywhere. Okay, whereas the cellular respiration takes place in the living body, only in living bodies or living organisms. You got that difference? Now, fourth difference, in combustion, energy is released in a single step in the form of heat and light. You can see heat and light are the two forms of energy that is formed during combustion. Whereas in cellular respiration that takes place within our body, the energy is released in steps, different steps, more than one steps, and stored as chemicals called ATP. And stored as chemicals called ATP. What is ATP? ATP is the full form I will tell you, adenosine triphosphate. We don't study this ATP. Adenosine, you can see adenosine triphosphate. Adenosine triphosphate is called ATP. That you will be studying in higher class as well. Now, if you feel difficult, you don't study. So, you can see that energy is released in the cellular respiration in steps, various steps, and stored as chemical ATP. So, you are very clear with this difference between combustion and the cellular respiration. Let me tell you once again. Combustion is a fast process whereas cellular respiration is a slow process. Clear? Clear. Now, combustion occurs at a high temperature, very high temperature, more than 100 degrees Celsius. Whereas in cellular respiration occurs at body temperature. Now, you can see combustion occurs anywhere in the engines, outside the living body. Whereas in cellular respiration it occurs only in the living things, living bodies. Now, last fourth difference. Energy released in the combustion in single step in the form of heat and light. Whereas in cellular respiration, the energy is released in steps and stored as chemicals called ATP. What is the form of ATP? Adenosine triphosphate. That's all about the difference between combustion and cellular respiration. I hope you got it. Okay? Right. Now we are coming to the second question. What are the differences between breathing and cellular respiration? Okay? Breathing everybody knows. It is a physical process, you know, and it includes, we do every time in a minute around 15 to 16 times, 12 to 16 times a person breathes. 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. In a minute, a person breathes 15 to 16 times. Okay, average 15 to 16 times. You can also 12 to 16, no problem. Okay. Now, breathing. Let us now discuss. Breathing is a physical process of exchange of gases. When we breathe in and breathe out, we are exchanging the gases. You know what? Gas we breathe out when we expire. When we expire or expel the gas, yes, it is carbon dioxide. During expiration, carbon dioxide is given out. During inhalation, oxygen-rich air we take in. So we can say breathing is a physical process of exchange of gases. No chemical reaction is involved. No chemical reaction is involved or occurs. No chemical reaction occurs in this breathing process, because it takes place between the environment and our nostrils. Now, cellular respiration is a chemical reaction which takes place inside the cells of organisms, and it is oxidation. Oxidation is breaking down of food. Which food? Glucose. So, oxidation of food or breaking down of food in the presence of oxygen. That is happening in the cellular respiration. Now, second difference. In breathing occurs outside the cell. Of course, it is between nostril and the environment. It is outside the cell, of course. Now, cellular respiration takes place within the cells. Within the cells of an organism. You got it? Yes. Now, in breathing, there is no release of energy, only physical process, exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide, no release of energy. Whereas in cellular respiration, there is a release of energy. So, what are the differences between breathing and cellular respiration? First difference: breathing is a physical process of exchange of gases. No chemical reaction takes place in breathing. Whereas cellular respiration is a chemical reaction of oxidation of food. That is taking place. Now, second, breathing occurs outside the cell, whereas cellular respiration takes place within the cell. And no release of energy takes place in breathing, whereas there is a release of energy takes